Welcome to all of you, my dear students. Welcome to in 12th class physics, and the topic is electric field and charge. Okay, and our next topic is electric flux and Gauss theorem. Okay, all of you familiar about the electric flux and area vector, because we already discussed the electric flux and area vector. Okay, area vector is what? It is the normal to any given surface. Okay, it is a normal position of the position of area and its magnitude as well as direction, because sometimes it is a requirement of area for its direction as well as magnitude. So we write it's a area vector. Okay, and what is electric flux? Electric flux is the number of lines passing normally to any given surface. Okay, how many field lines or how many electric field lines of force are passing to a particular surface area normally. So this is the electric flux. Okay, if the number of field lines is more, then the flux will be more, and if the field lines is less, then electric flux is also less. Okay, and Gauss theorem. What is the Gauss theorem? What is the statement of Gauss theorem? Please see here. Okay, one more thing, electric flux is denoted by phi, and phi E means electric flux. Okay, electric flux is a scalar quantity as we discussed earlier. Okay, so Gauss theorems, these theorems gives the relationship between the total flux passing through any closed surface and the net charge enclosed within the surface. Okay, Gauss theorem gives the relation between the total flux passing through any closed surface and the charge enclosed within the surface. Okay, so what is the statement of Gauss theorem? This theorem is very important and its application is also very important. Okay, so statement is, it states that the total flux through a closed surface is 1 by epsilon naught times the net charge enclosed by the closed surface. Okay, please see the mathematical statement. This is the mathematical statement. The total flux phi E equal to the closed surface area, the flux of closed surface area, or integration of whole integration of closed surface, EDS. This is the formula of electric flux. EDS equal to 1 by epsilon naught times, I write here 1 by epsilon naught 1 by epsilon naught times the net charge. Okay, so this is the mathematical statement of Gauss theorem. Okay, so total flux through a closed surface is 1 by epsilon naught times the net charge enclosed by the closed surface. Okay, so please write this statement, mathematical statement, and we will discuss the proof of this theorem. Okay, please write.